uh, the main composition. This is very so easy. Okay, next, make it the next 5 minutes. Okay, just I creating this. Stop the drawing just 2 minutes. I just share the. Just I take 2 minutes. Okay, stop the drawing. Just see this. Just see this. What I do. You can. I just using this marker because just put some potato on. Just jeans pants kind of. They're wearing the chappal because they're not that rich. Sun Hawaii chappal. On the legs maybe like this. Just composition. This is the potato. Oh sorry, this is the fuchka. Composition. Make like this. This dabba, small masalas dabba. Here some bag is where some plastic bag are hanging. So while create the composition, just do like this. Okay, just only composition. This is a plastic, the cover with the plastic. Okay, that's it. Now can do this. Just I make some other character like this. Very simple. The character like this here. So it looks like a other character standing behind. See this composition. That's it.